Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove blank rows in your Excel spreadsheet. This is very easy to do. There's a couple ways to go about this. First thing we're going to show you is what you want to do is select all of your data and then go to your Home tab, which is up here on the top. We'll click on that, and then what we want to do is go to Find and Select. So once we do that, we go down to Go to Special. And that is going to pop up a Go to Special menu. So in here you can search through different criteria you're looking for. Obviously we want to look for blanks. So then we'll hit OK. And that is going to highlight the blanks. And that way we can have all of our blanks there. And then to get rid of them, let's say we know where they are, but that doesn't solve the problem. What we want to do is go up to Delete. So we're going to click Delete, and we're going to click Delete Cells or Sheet Rows. Either one's going to work. And you can see those rows are now gone. So we can filter it down, and we can see that there's no blanks there. So that's a very, very easy way to do it. Obviously, that can cause some problems with your data as you're trying to navigate around and trying to drop to the bottom of your page or whatever it might be. But that can be super helpful. There is one other thing you can do, another way to go about it. If you have filters on your table, let's say we don't. We're going to clear all of our filters here. We'll select our data and just get rid of it. And so now we have obviously no filters, but if we want to, we can just go ahead and select all of our data here. Click on Filters and then Filter, just kind of the opposite of what we just did. And then we can click on the filter of the choice, and then we unselect all, and then we can see there's a blank section. We're going to want to just click on that. And then that's going to pull up our 4 blank rows. So we can go down and we can delete those. And we can, and then that should get rid of our blank rows as well. So it's another way to go about it. The one thing you want to be careful of is in some versions of Excel, older versions or whatnot, just make sure you're not selecting rows and deleting rows that were hidden. So something to be careful of. So obviously my preference is to do the find and select right off the bat, but if you're kind of in a bind, the filtering out on the blanks isn't a bad way to go as well, depending on the number of blank rows you've got. Hopefully this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and let me know if there's anything else I can do. And remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.